Hi, it's the Honey Queen, and hot honey is trending. It's a sweet condiment to drizzle on or add to your pepperoni sausage, pizza, biscuits, fried chicken, baked salmon, shrimp, roasted veggies, stir fry, cornbread, baked brie, corn on the cob, hot tea, salad dressing, vinaigrette, french fries, chicken fingers, toast, sub sandwiches, toasted bagel, cream cheese, sausage, pork chop, sauce on ice cream, tacos, salsa, burritos, omelets, cheesecake, brownies. You can make a gift out of it, or a charcuterie board. Okay, you only need 3 ingredients, and it'll take you 20 minutes. You first need 1 cup of Cox's honey, crushed red pepper flakes, and I've actually used jalapeno or habanero. Any of those peppers, those hot peppers would work, and you just chop it up. It'll give a different taste. So you can just, that's optional. And then a splash of apple cider vinegar. You can also do lime juice, or you could do red wine vinegar, any of those. All right, I also want to add that you could do a pinch of sea salt, black pepper, cinnamon, rosemary, chili powder. So it's all up to you. This to me is the easiest because it's found in your cupboard, and you do need a hand strainer. So get your things out. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to add 1 cup of Cox's honey to a saucepan, and you'll add 3 tablespoons of that red pepper flakes, and you're going to bring it to a simmer. As soon as it simmers, turn the heat, take it off the heat, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will infuse. So we'll go to that point. Okay, you can see it starting to simmer as the bubbles start to come up. So I'm turning out the heat, and I'm going to let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you let it go, the better it is. Okay, so step 2, when we let it infuse and sit here, now we're going to do step 3, which is check it out, see the taste. So I just like my finger to try it a little bit, and if it's too hot, I'm going to add honey to sweeten it down. But if it's not spicy enough, I'm going to add more peppers. But whatever you do, you got to make sure you let it infuse a little bit longer. Okay, so step 4, now that we've done that, because to me it's perfect right now, you are going to strain it through a mesh. Strain it like this, so that you catch all hot pepper. And you can leave them in there. That's totally up to you. This is just a suggestion. Of course, make it your own recipe. And then you let it strain through. Now, after you have strained it, and if you want to leave the peppers, you can. Step 5 is to add that splash of vinegar. So I'm going to do that, and then I will mix, and then you're done. That's it. Let it cool. You can store it at room temperature. It's good for up to 3 months. I put it in almost everything, and we kept saying, oh my goodness, there's still more, there's still more. It kept lasting forever. And you can also, if you infuse it with the real peppers, just remember that. If you're using that, refrigerate it, and it'll last about a week out. So you need, in the refrigerator, you need to know that when you use the fresh ingredients. So my splash is just to put it in the lid because I don't like to dirty more. That's just a splash. And then you stir it, and voila. Okay, you're ready for fireworks. There we go, their end product. Show that up too close. You can see what it looks like. Delicious hot honey to add to so many things. And I have this cute little dipper to dip it out with. We're gonna have fireworks this year for the 4th of July, aren't we? Hot, hot, hot. Did you find the bee, grandchildren? Yeah, it was hanging right there. So subscribe and share if you like this recipe, and have a sweet day. Okay, you're 1/4 Mexican. Do you like your hot honey pizza? Yeah, look at that, all drizzled over. Yum. Do you like your hot honey pizza?
Yes.
Would you recommend it for anybody?